Hello, I'm Samantha Gowing. I'm a chef, a clinical nutritionist, an author and a mentor. I created Gowing's Food Health Wealth way back in 1999, and ever since then I've been investigating the secret life of food. I look at the healing properties of individual ingredients and how the food synergy, how when they're combined they can create a much greater outcome than those individual parts. Over on our new website, foodhealthwealth.com, you'll find a plethora of recipes and remedies, feasts and stories, all about food as medicine. What does the kelp do? Which is the most popular recipe? You'll meet Black Betty Bam, and you'll learn all about the aromatics and how they can help to boost your immunity, just as all this beautiful plant-based produce and other local produce I have in front of me. So I hope you'll come and share the spirit of good food with me, foodhealthwealth.com, and stay well.